Hi, it's Lori Pagano here. I'm going to go over a tutorial on how to change the key of your song in Audacity today. In future editions, I'll be showing you how to cut and paste a song for an audition cut background track, and also how to change tempos of songs. I hope you have fun. If you would like to record yourself doing your song in a couple different keys, please feel free to do that and hashtag EverydayGCPA. Thanks. Here is a quick tutorial on how to use the program Audacity. If you do not already have it, you will need to look it up. I already had it pulled up, so Audacity. This is the symbol you want to find, this little blue headphones with a zigzaggedy sound going in between. And you just need to click on it, open it up, and you can download Audacity for whatever system that you have. I already have it because I use it quite a lot, so I have it downloaded on my desktop, and I'm going to click on it to pull it open. Once you've pulled open Audacity, what you need to do is you need to download a song to it, the song that you want to work on. So you go to File, go to Import, and import audio. Now what most people would do from this point is they would go down to their music. For me, it would be iTunes. For some reason on my computer, maybe because it's a little older, it doesn't want to pull my iTunes up. Most people just click on their iTunes, find their song, click on it, open. Mine doesn't want to do that. I knew that ahead of time. So what I always do is I just find my song ahead of time and I drag it to my desktop so that I have it there to open up. So I have my song I'm going to work on today, Revolting Children, on my desktop. So this time I'm going to hit Import Audio, and right there on my desktop it's Revolting Children. So I'm opening it up and it's downloading it to there. As you can see when you look at this, there are two different, it's a split track. You can do different things with this at some point if you learn how to, and if you want to know how to. There's different effects you can do, removing some of the vocal line if it's got singing in it, making one track louder than the other for more instrumental sound, things like that. We are not going to go over that today. Today I'm just going to show you how to change the key of a song. So currently this is the original key. And here's the beginning, which apparently starts several seconds in. So that's the current key that it's in. All right, I'm going to stop that. Good, so what you want to do to change the whole song, let's say you have a student that wants to do this song, but it's a hair too much high or a hair too low or whatever it may be. The great thing is you can change it for them. This is the background track. It has no singing on it for this one that I have pulled up. You want to click on, you want to highlight the whole song. If you just want to change part of a song, you can do that too by highlighting part of a song. Most of the time when you're doing a key change, you change the whole song though. So here on this gray area to the left, you want to click on not where there's letters and things, but just the open area here. That's going to highlight the whole song for you. You go up to the top here, your choices. You want to click Effect. These are all the different things you can do in Audacity. There's a ton of them. You can change pitch, speed, tempo, compress, echo, equalizer, fade out, invert, noise reduction, etc. There's so many things you can do. Today what we're going to do is change the pitch. So on mine, it's the fourth one down here. You want to click on Change Pitch. This is change pitch without changing tempo. Yes, we do not want to change the tempo right now. So what it is saying is that it says it's in the key of F. I don't have the music in front of me, so I don't know if that's accurate. But basically, this is the starting note that they're telling you they're going from. When you're looking at the semitones, half steps, that is where you can alter how many steps up or down you want to take this song. So I'm going to say that this song is a step too high for my student. So these are semitones, half steps. That means if you want to take a full step, you have to say 2 half steps. So in order to take the song down, you need to go -2. And that will have changed it a full step down. So I'm going to hit OK. And I believe the key before was whoa, right there. So let's see what it is now. It should be a step down. Yes, so it has gone down from the whoa from before. All right, so if for some reason you changed it and you're second guessing yourself, like, oh, I didn't mean to go down, I want to go up, I want to make it higher, you can always go up to your edit button, undo, change pitch. So that should make it back to the original key again. Let's just listen to that for a second. Whoa! There it is. All right, so if you want to change the pitch higher, this one's already pretty high, but let's do it. You highlight this whole song, effect, change pitch. We want to make it, let's make it 2 steps higher. That'll be fun. So 4 half steps makes it 2 full steps higher. So I'm going to click OK. It has changed it. Let's see how high this one is. Let's see. Ooh, that would be a high version. But there you go. It has changed it 2 steps higher. And then from there, if that's the key you decide you want to have it, then you want to save your song. So go up to here to File, Save Project. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to export the project. So export audio. I'm just going to change this name so it doesn't get confusing in my my computer here. Revolting Children Audacity test. And I'm going to save it. For some reason, mine always wants to save it as a WAV format. That's just, I think, my computer being silly. But you do have an option for MP3, and if that works for you, that'll help you. That'll save you a step. You want to hit Save. You can change anything on here if you want to add in more information. Hit OK. And what I had it do was save to my desktop. So here it is right here, Revolting Children Audacity test. What I would usually do from here is I would, because it's a WAV and not all people can receive WAV formats or it doesn't work well on their devices, I usually put it into my iTunes and there's a button there that you can do to change it to an MP3. And if you do want to save this for future use, you can hit File, Save Your Project if you think you might be changing it more later or something like that. But you have your WAV or your MP3 saved here, so you should be good to go. All right, have fun changing the keys of your songs. Thanks.